Hello my friends, welcome to solve this math problem, which is x plus y is equals to 10 and x times y is equals to 10 to find the value of x and y. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So, from equation 1, we have x plus y is equals to 10. And we take this x to this side, so it will be y is equals to 10 minus x, right? So, in next step, from equation 2, we have x times y is equals to 10. And in here, y is equals to 10 minus x, so we substitute in this equation, so it will be x times y is 10 minus x is equals to 10. So, in here it will be x times 10, it will be 10x, and minus x times x, it will be x squared, is equals to 10. And in next step, we take these two parts to this side, and it will be negative x squared to this side will be positive x squared, 10x to this side will be negative 10x, and plus this 10 is equals to 0. So in here we have quadratic equation, and we use quadratic formula, which is x is equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and over 2a, which is a is coefficient of x squared is 1, b is coefficient of x is negative 10, and c is constant is 10. So, it will be x is equals to negative b, negative 10, it will be positive 10, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 10 squared is 100, and minus 4ac. 4 times a is 1, and times c is 10 over 2a. 2a, it will be 2. And it will be x is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 4 times 1 times 10, it will be 40 and over 2. And it will be 10 plus or minus square root of 60 over 2. So, in next step, it will be x is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 60, and we can write 60 as 4 times 15 and over 2. So, this is equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, so it will be 2 square root of 15 over 2. And from here, x is equals to 10 over 2, it will be 5 plus or minus 2 square root of 15 over 2, it will be a square root of 15. So, in here we have two values for x, right? X is equals to 5 plus square root of 15 and x1, and x2 is 5 minus square root of 15. So, we want to find the value of x and y. So, y from this equation is 10 minus x. So, in here, y is 10 minus x. So, y1 is 10 minus this. So, it will be 10 minus x. X is 5 plus square root of 15, right? So, in here, y1 is 10 minus 5, and negative times square root of 15 should be negative square root of 15, right? So from here, y1 is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5, 5 minus square root of 15. Also from here, y2 is equals to 10 minus x. X is 5 minus square root of 15, right? So in here, it will be y2 is equals to 10 minus 5 minus plus negative times negative to positive, so plus square root of 15. It will be y2 is equals to 10 minus 5, it will be 5, and plus square root of 15. So our final answer for x and y in here, x and y is equals to x1 and y1 is equals to x1 is in here, x1 is 5 plus the square root of 15, and y1 is 5 minus square root of 15, 5 minus square root of 15, and x2 and y2 is equals to x2 is 5 minus square root of 15, right? 5 minus square root of 15, and y2 is 5 plus square root of 15. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.